My video guide is about getting rid of the pop-ups related to the site startdownload22x.com. This website, startdownload22x.com, is absolutely faulty and truly deceptive. It presents itself as some human verification alert. It says that you need to click on Allow, supposedly to confirm that you are not a robot. The truth is that it's actually a mistake to click on Allow. If you have mistakenly clicked on Allow button, fix your browser immediately by accessing the menu, then Settings, then Privacy and Security, Site Settings. Go down to Permissions and Notifications. So pay attention to the websites allowed to send notifications. If you find any malicious sites, get rid of them. I would also recommend that you thoroughly research the system with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. The best place where you can get it is on the page combocleaner.com. Download it, install it, and begin researching the system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threads which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threads, the locations of all these threads on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threads manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.